Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace the user interface on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Some of the main reasons why you'd be replacing your user interface could be if one of the buttons will not work on the machine. Maybe the indicators right here are starting to lose their LED on it, or something could hit it and cause a small crack on it. To begin, we first have this small piece of trim that's going across here that will have to be removed. We have 2 Phillips screws underneath. Next, go ahead and pull off on the trim to access the user interface. To remove your user interface, we have the same thing, 2 screws that are on here, both of them Phillips. Next, you will pull out on the bottom of it and kind of pivot it out. We can go to the bottom, just like this, and we have all of our Molexes that will need to be disconnected. 1, 2, and just what you'll want to do is just pinch them to take them off. And finally, the third one, pull out on your user interface and set it to the side. When installing your new user interface, first, let's tip it up. We will slide all of the Molexes in. Now, when you put this in here, you'll notice you have these 2 pieces of plastic that come up. They get inserted into these slotted areas. So you will bring it up at an angle, line it up, drop it in, and it should meet flush to the actual door. Let's reinstall the 2 screws. Now we can reinstall the trim. In order to do this, make sure that the whole side is on the bottom. So we'll also bring this in at an angle so that this lip can go underneath the UI in the front. Bring it in, clip it in place, reinstall our 2 Phillips screws. And this will complete our repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.